Well guys, this is about the recliner chair that I bought from Kroger. They have a defect. See this channel? When it rains, it gets full of water. When you sit on it, you'll be wet. I think they should have some kind of hole in here or a hole in the middle, so the water should not be accumulating in those channels. I just hate it when you sit on it, you find yourself full of water. I bought those 2 recliners from Kroger, so I learned whenever I want to sit on it, I just put it against the wall like that, so it will drain, the water will drain up. FYI, thank you, have a good day.